Watch this video till the end because I am going to be exposing to you the current happening in 9th Mile, Enugu, starting with the road construction into 9th Mile, or rather from 9th Mile into Enugu town, to the free trade zone, and then the new estate that are emerging in the environments. Okay, we started this video from New Markets. Okay, we started the video from New Markets because I would like you to see everything the way they are. So I started the video from New Markets, and I'll be telling you as we are going some places that I feel you should look at so that you'll understand how development is moving in Enugu State. Okay, so along this road now, you're going to be seeing the road that leads to Gulf Estate. Okay, the road that leads to Gulf Estate is by the right hand side, and you're also going to see Diamond Estate by the left hand side. So the aim is to show you how development is speedily moving around Enugu State. Okay, and the areas that are major focused. Okay, so by the left hand side we are approaching Diamond Estate. Okay, now all these estates about 20 years ago weren't there. Okay, people were seeing these areas as this is New Market and is a road. This is Diamond Estate. Okay, by the left we just passed Diamond Estate, and we are approaching the road that leads to Gulf Estate. Look at the road there where that car is parked. That is the road to Gulf Estate. So like I was saying, some years back, some persons were seeing these whole areas as this is express road now, the road going, am I going to Onitsha, you know? But now see all these beautiful estates that are emerging along here. And if you are taking the left as well, there was a video I made about Eva Valley, all right, an estate in Eva Valley. That is the road that leads to Eva Valley by the left. So this whole environment is now one of the hot cakes in Enugu State when it comes to real estate. So do not forget our target. We are going to 9th Mile, Enugu. Have you seen the road construction currently ongoing? You're going to see it today. That is the Ugwu Onye Ama road from 9th Mile, pass through down to Ugwu Onye Ama, and then coming into Enugu town. Okay, you're going to see the road so that if you are coming back by Christmas, by December period or January, you would have nothing to fear. Some persons would be like, that Ugwu Onye Ama road is now so bad. You go and pass through the other end, you know, but Ugwu Onye Ama road is now a very smooth road to pass. We are going to see it. You'll see it on this video. So keep watching and ensure to watch to the end, because as we are moving, I'll be telling you things and things you ought to know about Enugu State, and things that would help you make an informed investment decision. Yes, so like I told you, I am going to be exposing to you a whole lot about 9th Mile, Enugu. That is our target. That is where we are going. So as we are approaching, I'll be telling you things, but for now keep watching the video. As okay, now we are connecting to the road that leads to Ugwu Onye Ama. Okay, you can see the road construction is speedily ongoing. You see you see it by the right side. We are approaching there now. Look at it. You see it by the right side. So for now, everyone is passing through the one lane. This one lane we are passing now. Look at the other side. Look at them. So okay, look at it. Just keep watching. You would see the road construction as we are going until we get to 9th Mile. All right, enjoy yourself. wow, I can see little traffic at the front. Okay, that is because everyone is now applying one lane, like I said earlier. All right. Okay, the road construction is really making everyone to apply one lane. Both those at the left, that's both those going and those coming, we're applying one lane. So whatever traffic you're going to see here is bound to happen. But I am sure that before December or by then, both roads will be ready for your use. Okay, so keep watching this video and you'll see other things that you are yet to see. Uh-oh, hold up, look at that. By the left, you'll be seeing some dirt. Okay, this is where SYMFONI dispose and burn all the dirt collected from town. All right, so this is where they dispose all of them and burn them. All right, so I'm so sorry about that dirt you're seeing, but then that is where it is done. So we keep moving. Do not forget we have a target. We are going to 9th Mile. Okay, and there are things happening around there that you should know, and it will help you make an informed investment decision. So keep watching and keep being focused on the target. All right. Wow, what a beauty to behold. Okay, welcome to Night Mile, Enugu. I need to explain something around here before I go further. Taking this route, I'm going to show you, yeah, it is closed, so we're not going to pass there, but I'll show you where it burst out. And then you see this bus where it's taking. If you're following there, you'll be passing through Ugwu. That's for some persons that do not like to follow through Ugwu Onye Ama road when it was so bad. If you follow where that vehicle, if you follow that road, the vehicle passed, you'll be passing through Ugwu, and then you bust out at New Market. Okay, that's when you follow through the Milky Hill and then bust out at New Market. So, you're welcome to Night Mile, Enugu. Night Mile, Enugu is one of the towns in Enugu State that I can say categorically that is blessed with good water. Did I say one of the towns? Okay. I can really say it's the only town blessed with a very neat and drinkable water. Yes. And that is why so many industries are situated here. Like the AMA Brewery, 7-Up Bottling Company, Aqua Rapha Company, and some other water factories are situated around here. Come to think of it, have you asked yourself why some water supply, that are the water supply tanker that supplies water, they use Night Mile water to deceive people? That is because they know people value and cherish Night Mile water. And not just about people valuing and cherishing it, it is one of the best. In fact, it is the best water in Enugu State. So, Night Mile is blessed with good water, and so many industries are situated here. Recently, some real estate developers are also moving towards this environment. So I'm just going to show you the road to those places that their properties are situated. Okay. Now, from the look of things, in the next 10 to 20 years or even less than that, I am certain that Night Mile is going to be one of the best towns in Enugu State. If the proposed free trade zone is really going to hold, and then given the rate at which some real estate developers are also coming in here, trust me, this environment is going to be bigger and more busy. So, if you are looking to invest in an area that has a good potential for future growth, I think and I suggest that you should consider investing in this area. And for now, their properties are quite cheap, affordable, and some are even running promo. Okay, so I could say it's an investment property, but then you can as well build there. I have a video I made in one of the properties here in Night Mile. Alright, that's Flourish City I'm making go. Okay, that video I made it when it's on promo, but the promo isn't going to last. So it is an opportunity to grab free plots. So the promo is saying buy 4 plots and get 1 free. And the current price is 1.8 million naira. The surprising thing is that the property is going to increase to 2.3 million naira anytime soon. That's before the end of this August. So now look at this. Wow. So as you can see, it is becoming congested. It is becoming congested. So people are really moving towards certain areas because they wouldn't want to, live where they will not have enough space. And but they are considering making this area not just an industrial place, but have estates with cool environments and all the features therein. Okay, so this road now we are approaching. You see that place I told you I'm going to show you where it burst out, written roadblock, the place the road was blocked. This is where we would have come out if we had followed there. Okay, but yeah, this road, that is it. This is where we would have come out. But given that the road is blocked, we have to follow the old AMA Brewery, and then we are here. So I am taking you to, we're going to see 7-Up Bottling Company today. Yes, we're going to see 7-Up Bottling Company today, and I will show you the road leading to AMA Brewery, Aqua Rapha Company, and some other water factories around here. So keep watching and keep enjoying yourself. Meanwhile, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly do so. Subscribe. All right, as you're watching this video, you see somewhere by the on the screen by the right side written subscribe. Just click on it, like the video, and at the same time turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload anything, you will be notified. All right, and then if you have any question or questions with respect to real estate investment in Nigeria, especially in the southeast Enugu, please do not hesitate to ask me. If you do not want to ask through the comment section, just dial my number. All right, my number is there on the screen. All right, dial it, WhatsApp me. Feel free to call me anytime. Call or WhatsApp me on 0803 743 5005. Call me, WhatsApp me, drop messages, ask your questions, and I am ready always to guide you through your real estate journey in the southeast Enugu, Nigeria. So keep watching. I am going to show you the road to AMA Brewery and Aqua Rapha Company, and then we'll call it a day at 7-Up Bottling Company. Yeah, it's such a long journey, right? Yeah, I hope you got value so far. I hope the time you spent in watching this video is worth it. I hope you got value from this video. Please drop at the comment section any area you think we should cover for you. Drop at the comment section and we will be there to do justice to that. All right, so we are approaching the road to AMA Brewery. Yeah, look at the road before you here. That big sign post, the big signage by the left side. If you're passing through there, you would be going to AMA Brewery, Aqua Rapha Company, and some other water factories around there. And then there's a real estate company that has property there, and that is also the side where the proposed free trade zone is supposed to be. Yeah, it's supposed to be situated. So let's keep watching and be hopeful that it comes to reality. And if it does, trust me, whoa, it's going to be a hot cake in this environment. So we'll keep moving. We are going to 7-Up Bottling Company. Yeah, so security check. Yeah, we're going to pause here. Yeah, so this is 7-Up Bottling Company, situated in 9th Mile, Enugu. What a long journey. I hope you really got value from watching this video. Please drop at the comment section what you would want us to do for you. I am your best friend and your real estate consultant here in the Southeast Enugu, Nigeria, Loveth Aneke. Following the road straight up, we'll be getting to Flourish City and Ugwu. The one I told you is selling currently for 1.8 million naira and would be appreciating to 2.3 million naira on the 18th of August 2023. So if you watch the video to the end, you'll see the road that leads to the estate. So given that we have some good things coming around here, don't you think it's the best time to invest so that you wait for the goodies to come, so that by then you'll be making good money, you'll be earning good return on your investments? Yes, that is the goal. Earn good return on your investments. Think about it. And even if the free trade zone didn't come, developers help areas to develop. That is why they are called developers. So the more they are moving into this place, the more they would help this environment to be developed. And they are looking at ensuring that here has some estates, all right, because it's a calm environment, all right. So just think about having an investment here in 9th Mile. Until I come your way again, bye for now.